January 2020 is a date that many people will remember because it was the date that they discovered a new virus called coronavirus. Now, coronavirus is a virus that spreads the disease COVID-19. And COVID-19 has changed the way we run our lives and the way we educate ourselves and the way we go to work. And soon, coronavirus spread. I'm going to have to make sure I use an O here. Coronavirus spread around the world, and it infected about 18 million people. This is as of August 2020. Now, of those 18 million people, approximately 4% died, and about 6 million are still infected. We don't know exactly what's going to happen next. We see it growing and waning in different places around the world. It's the outbreak of the century. So we're living through a piece of history. The last outbreak that was of a similar magnitude was the Spanish flu. And that was, coincidentally, almost a century ago, 1918, at the end of the First World War. And it affected young people more than old people, whereas the COVID-19 has more of an impact on older people in terms of health. So how is it spread? It's spread by water droplets, or droplets. From one person to another. Now, mathematics has a role to play here. We can use mathematics to try to understand coronavirus and COVID-19. We can ask questions about how many will be infected, what's the impact? What about impact on the economy? Can we think about that using mathematics? Maybe. What about control measures? These are all areas where mathematics gives us a possibility to quantify things, and then using equations we can try to understand what's going on and how we can best respond. In the series of lectures for this week, I'm going to be talking about coronavirus, and I'm going to be using sequences, which are one of the things we study in this week to model coronavirus. So please stay tuned and enjoy.